Welcome back to Mommy's Designs. My name is Norma, and in this channel you're gonna see a mix of videos from DIYs to reviews, a whole bunch of fun videos. Please make sure you subscribe. That really keeps me very encouraged to continue in this path. Other than that, let's go ahead and start the video. In this video, I'm gonna do a test of these semi-cured nails. I chose this name brand, Dashing Diva, and I already go ahead and did all my hand except for this one, because the one I'm gonna show you. The pack comes with this little like a toothpick, so that you can fix the nail if it needs to be fixed, or you can clean them or push the cuticle. I already did all of that. It comes with the nail filer. This is brand new, so I don't want to use it yet, so I'm using this old one that I have. And you get 32 strips. There's the link that I'm going to put in the description box is going to have one with the UV lamp. I didn't get mine with the UV lamp because I have this UV lamp that I use when I work on resin, so we're gonna not use that one. So you get different sizes. You get a total of 32, and you need to always keep them covered. Like, you put all your nails inside and then put this on top to cover and seal it and put it back in the box. This can last you for maybe 2 or 3 times, so that's money savings, number one. And also they last up to 14 days. Okay, you have to be careful with your nails, regardless of, like, when you wash the dishes, use gloves and things like that. But I tell you, I really like this because I was doing the acrylics. I could not afford to do the very expensive one, so I got just the regular one. And my nails, like the bottom part of it, the nail polish will start coming off. Or whenever I rub myself, I really like these colors. Whenever it will rub with the sink, I will leave like a mark. I don't have that problem with these ones here. So I only left this one for you to see how I do it. The box says that it only takes 45 seconds to cure. It does not. It takes about 4 to 5 minutes, just so you know. But just what we're gonna do, we're just gonna go ahead and apply it. It's very easy. I clean. The box also comes with 2 little like this, like alcohol wipes like this, but I already used both of them, so I just use alcohol that I had in my bathroom. So you basically you're going to put the nail and bring it down and put it where you want it, and then you're going to fix it. So then you're going to put it in, and it's going to be, see, this is how it looks. What I like about these colors is that, I don't know if you noticed, but if you move it around, it kind of gives it a different shade. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put it in, and I'm going to forward the video, but I'm going to leave it in for 5 minutes. Okay, it's been 5 minutes, and what we're going to be doing now is we're going to cut it. I don't like my nails too long, so I'm just going to cut it to almost the length of what I have in right now. So see, it's hard. So you cut it where you want it. And now I'm just going to go ahead and file it. And it's very easy to file. So I cut it to the same length of my real nail. I like them square, so that's exactly what I did. Okay, so there it is, already done. Here's my full 2 hands with them. So I hope you like them. And remember that on the description box, I will go ahead and put the link that is going to take you directly to where you can order them. So that's all for me, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And until next time, blessings.